Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Grammy-winning artist Sean Paul is gearing up to release 2 albums, Live and Living and Scorcher. Live and Living will be released under Sean Paul's Dirty Rock Productions and features a star-studded lineup of dancehall and reggae acts. The project sees the likes of Skillibeng, Massacre, Intense, Buju Banton, Busy Signal, Serrani, Bugle, Jesse Royal, Junior Gang, Ghanaian DJ Stonebwoy, among others. Sean Paul recently debuted the cover art for one of the tracks dubbed Real Steel, which features Intense. Live and Living will be released on March 12, while Scorcher boasts pop-infused tracks with collaborations from Ty Dolla $ign, Stylo G, dancehall artist Shenseea, Jada Kingdom, and American singer Gwen. The project also sees the Dirty Rock artist teaming up with Australian singer-songwriter Sia on the track Dynamite. Now, Sean Paul previously released a song with Sia, the track Cheap Thrills. That song gained over 1.5 million views on Sia's YouTube page and also scored Sean Paul a Grammy nomination for Best Pop Duo. No release date was announced for the second project. Dancehall artist Massacre Dunwell and reggae artist Tarrus Riley have been creating waves on the scene with their new track dubbed Corner. The track was released over the weekend and has been trending #1 on streaming platform YouTube with close to 1 million views.
I'm in your corner, friend. I'm in your corner. When you need someone around, you know I'll be your friend. 'Cause I'm in your corner. Yeah, I'm in your corner.
The catchy track sees the two glorifying loyalty, togetherness, and has been resonating among music lovers. Now, Fame Frequency returns tomorrow night. The event will feature DJ Narity, DJ Denver, and DJ Kevin presenting tracks from the 2000s to present. The virtual event kicks off at 9 p.m. on RETV and 10:45 right here on TVJ. Fame Frequency is a part of the month-long reggae celebrations. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Have a nice weekend.